Hey guys, welcome to the third video of Pygame. As the title says, this video I will show you how you can create basic steps in Pygame. So let's start. Pygame.draw is used to draw steps in Pygame. As you can see in the chart, you can draw too many things in Pygame. Let's see some of them practically. As you can see, this is our old program. And we will move steps in the new program we are making, so let's change the name to step moment. Okay, then if you want to create new steps, you will need some colors in order to fill in them. So let's define some colors. Pygame is using RGB colors, and RGB is red, green and blue. The minimum value of red, green or blue in a color is 0 and the maximum is 255. So if you want to define black color, black will be 0 0 0. There is no red, no green, no blue, means no color, means it's black. I don't know why, but it's black. And if you want to say a color is white, then it will be 255 255 255, the maximum value of 3 colors. Then let's say red equals to 255 0 0. Green equals to 0 255 0. Blue will be 0 0 255. It's easy. Then if you want to fill white or any color in your background or in your surface, our surface name is game window. So surface dot fill is the command to fill color inside your surface. It takes one argument. We are giving it the black. It's a tuple 0 0 0, so it will fill black color in our window. Let's try this code. So it's already black. Let's try blue color. Blue is not defined. Blue equals to, sorry, let's try white. As you can see, it's white and it's our event which we are printing. Okay, and the title will not be step movement, it's just step creation. Okay, let's create a step in this surface now. In order to do that, the code is pygame dot draw. It's that easy. Pygame dot draw. Then any steps name which is supported by Pygame. Let's try rectangle. Rectangle takes 4 arguments. First, the surface. Our surface is game underscore window. The second one is color. Let's give it color blue. The third one will be the height width, xy, then height width, like 120 60 height and width. This is x, this is y, this is width, and this will be the height. It's a 40. And if you want to draw only borders, then the fourth argument will be 1 2 or whatever, the width of the rectangle. Let's give it 4. Now the width is 4, means the outline's width is 4. If you don't need outline, just need the rectangle, this is not necessary. It will automatically take 0 here. As you can see, it is creating a border. let's see if we remove this and run this. Okay, it's a rectangle. So that's how you can create shapes. Let's try another shape. Pygame dot draw dot line. Line also take first argument as the surface, game window, then the color. Line color, let's take red here. Then the starting point of the line, let's say 150, 30. Then the end point of a line, let's say 90, 40, or you can take anything and try different things. And the width of the line, let's take 6. Let's run this. As you can see, the line is here. It's so easy. Let's see another example of polygon. So to draw a polygon, the code is all the same one. Pygame.draw polygon, then the name of the surface, which is game window, the color, let's take green here, and then the points, all points of a polygon. I'm copying and pasting it because you can't give it randomly. Okay, it's not that easy. And the last is width. The points should be in a sequence so that it can easily make a polygon. And the last thing is width. If you want outline, then you can give it. If don't, then it's like rectangle. Let's run this. Okay, as you can see, our polygon is five pointed polygon. You can add points here, like let's say 0 and 106, which is the end point. And let's change this one to 120 or something, this one to 30. Let's try this. It's weird. Okay, you can add and remove points, and if you want field, then you can remove it or can pass 0 value, then it will fill it. Okay, let's see how we can draw a circle. Again, pygame.draw and then circle, the name of the surface, which is game window, then the color, let's take black here. In the center point of the circle, let's give it 40, and then the radius, the size of the circle, let's give it 20 here, and then the width 40. Sorry. Okay, as you can see, the circle is here. Okay, it's here now. Wherever the center will be, the radius will add it there. It's like x and y, and the width is its actual size. Yeah, it's width is its actual size, and it's the x and y. I don't know why the website says that it's the center of the circle and its radius. Then let's try another shape. pygame dot draw dot ellipse, then again the surface name, which is game window, then the color, let's take again red, then xy width and height, let's take, you can take anything, try different things, xy width and height, and at the last is the rectangle and the polygon width, which is not required. If you want to fill it, this is not required. If you don't, then it is. Okay, as you can see, it's our ellipse. Or if you want to fill it, let's try that. Copy and pasting it, just changing its location, and a little bigger with no width. It's our ellipse near our circle. Okay, I think this steps will be helpful in our game, so I'm stopping here. If you want to check and try all of the steps, I'm putting a link in my description. You can try all of the steps. Drawing that are it's very simple, but the arguments, you should remember that the first and second and the width are common in everything. Okay, trial of the steps. Hope you enjoyed this video. In the next video I will show you how you can move steps and create small games using these steps. That's it for this video. If you like it, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching till the end.